Hello viewers, let's continue our gate series, and now we have to solve one more question which has already come in a gate previous year. So let's solve this. So the number of students in a three classes are in ratio of 3:13:6. Okay. If the 18 students are added to each classes, then their ratio changes to 5:15:35:21. And now we have to find the total number of students in all the three classes. Okay, so the question is telling that there is a three classes and the ratio is given 3:13:6. Okay, and after adding the 18 student in each the classes, the ratio will become 15:35:21. And now we have to find the total number of student in all the three classes. Okay, so you have to find the total number of student in all the classes, means all the three classes. Okay, so I hope you understand the question. So let's do this. So like for a first class, for first class, any class, but I name it as a first, so it will be 3x. Okay, and for second class it will be 13x, and for third class it will be 6x. Okay, so the total student will be, you just have to add it, total student, you just have to find the total student. Okay, so the total student will be 3 plus 13 plus 6, this will be 22x. Okay, so to find the total student you just have to find the value of x. So let's find the value of x. So there is given a one more condition, that after adding, you just have I will take the first two ratios. Okay, the first two ratios, you can take any of these ratio, but I will take the first two ratio. Okay, so the ratio given here, 3x by 13x, after adding 18, here is given in this question that if you add 18 student, okay, the ratio will become 15:35. I have taken first two ratios. Okay, so it will become 15 by 35. Okay, sorry, this is 35 now, not 3x, so it will become 35. Now you have to solve this equation. 3x plus 18 by 13x plus 18 will give you, after 5 3s are 5 7s are, it will become 3 by 7. Okay, and now you have to find the value of x by multiplying 7, 3, 13x plus 18. Okay, it will become 21x plus 18. 18 sevens are 126, and this will become 39x, and this will become 54. Okay, After finding, now you have to find the value of x. 39x minus 21x and 120 minus 54. Okay, this will become 8 and 18x, and this will become 2, 12, 5, it will become 72. Okay, now you have just find the value of x, which will become 72 by 18. It will become x equals to 4. Okay, after getting the value of x equals to 4, you just have to substitute the value, which is the total student. Okay, so in the question you just have to find a total student in all the three classes. So the total student will become 22x 22 into 4, which will become 88. Okay, so the total student in all three classes is 88. Okay, so the answer is 88. I hope you understand this question, and the answer is option C. Okay, so I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.